Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access gestures. Now click on one-handed mode, and if you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down. Then click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Lastly, hit correct in the pop-up and use one-handed mode by simply clicking on the shortcut. As you can see, now it's on. In order to go back to the standard size screen, click on the same shortcut again. Tap on this area or swipe up. You can even move your shortcut however you wish to. Just make sure that Full Screen into Reach option is on. To disable one-handed mode, just click on the same switcher again. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation real quick to show you. Tap on this gray switcher next to one-handed mode. Then make sure that Full Screen into Reach is on as well, and simply swipe down from the bottom of your screen. Then to go back, swipe up or tap on this area as well. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, select the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!